It's Rideshare Sean again. See, today on the Peloton, I rode with Robin Arzon. I did her all-star ride. The Peloton is awesome. Everybody needs exercise, and I get it done in 20 minutes. And there's a timer on there. And when the internet goes out, the timer still works. And that's very important to me. The timer is in the top left-hand corner, and it's not depending on the internet connection, which is good, because there are times when the internet connection goes down, and like in the middle of a ride, and I do not need that timer to stop. I need it to keep going, because some of those rides can be brutal, but it's absolutely what I need, of course, because I'm a full-time Uber driver and I spend a lot of time in the seat. And exercise is medicine. It's just basically something that everybody needs. Everyone needs exercise. So today, right now, it is 12:05 p.m. Today is September 6th, 2023. This that I'm on right now in Ellington is 301. I think it's a boulevard. And right now, I'm going to Riviera Dunes. I'm gonna fly it with my drone today. So I've got the drone already. It's charged up. It has a memory card in it. That's empty. It's ready to go. So we'll see. And Riviera Dunes has two buildings, and they're pretty tall. So I'm gonna try to get both of them in one shot with one battery. Hopefully that'll work. Because, like when you get up high like that, there's all kinds of stuff up there, variables like wind and moisture, and just things happen up there and that are not happening on the ground. And there's some tools and stuff where you can look at the air that's moving there, but I don't have time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna fly them. And I looked on their website. I looked at the property appraiser website. I looked all around Google and stuff. I could not. This is crazy. I couldn't get a physical address for those buildings. So maybe I'll get it when I get there. I need a physical address so I can, it helps me fly, because I need to know actually how tall those buildings are. This is Rideshare Sean. I'm just babbling into my podcast microphone into Audacity while it's recording. I managed to shoot the Riviera Dunes buildings in Palmetto, Florida with my drone, and I got the drone back and nobody got injured and everything was great. So after I shoot with the drone, then I put the drone in its case and I put everything in its case, and then I put it in that compartment in the hatchback in the back between the spare tire and the bottom of the hatchback, so that nobody can tell it's there. And then after I put everything away, then I go online in the Uber app and I put my Uber hat on and I pick up riders. That's what I do. I got an Uber request for a female named Elaine. That's a ways away. 16 minutes away, it says. Whatever. I'll take it. Is this Chloe Wayne?
This